why didn't no one tell me that this card can move? Like if you scan it, it turns into a video. Why didn't no one tell me that? But like, I was shook when I don't even get me started. I was shook. I was like, oh my God, Minju. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Aizwan Fridays, where I bet this is the second video where I messed up my own intro, bro. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Aizwan Fridays, bro. Again, really, bro. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Aizwan Fridays, where I post Aizwan content on a Friday. And today, third time's a charm, Jesus Christ. And today we are watching Airplane, bro. And the Airplane special film in New York. KCON's in New York, yeah. I was literally about to say, what the hell are they doing in New York? And then I realized KCON exists, but yeah. Oh, have y'all seen like the highlight KCON New York video? That shit. I saw a fan cam video on that song. Don't even text me, bro. That fan cam was heartbreaking. But yeah, we're just gonna get the video. I'm pretty sure it's a special film, so it should be cute. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be cute. I'm looking at like the first frame of the video and it's really cute. But yeah, we're just gonna move right into the video. I just knew it was, oh my God, nah. Stop. This is the cutest thing. I just want breaking my computer. I blame one out for breaking my computer, bro. You're so pretty. Nako, I'm over you, bro. You have been affecting me for the last like 10 minutes and I am over it. Now they got a Polaroid. That is so cute. That is the cutest thing, bro. Oh my God. Chaewon with like that pink hair is gorgeous. I'm in pain. Dude, Minju with the pink hair. Godly. That is godly. Oh my. Minju with the pink hair is godly. Minju with the pink. You're the cutest. Y'all are the cutest. If y'all want to offer me ice cream, I would take that in a heartbeat. That's my baby. That's my baby. That's my baby. That's my baby right there. Oh my God, I love her. She is the cutest human being alive, and I love her. Oh, a horse. She's so gorgeous. Dude, Eugene is so gorgeous. Oh my God. It's weird because I watched every single title track video, and technically speaking, I watched her grow up. Not like in real time, but like I watched her grow up, like watching the videos. And she has become, wow, she's so, like literally, I'm literally only a year older than her. But like the fact that like I feel like a proud older sister. I don't know why, but I just do. And it's a weird feeling. It's weird, but she's become like so mature, and I literally adore her. That is literally my baby. I love her so much. Oh my God, I love her. Look at her, bro. Oh my God. What? Did I see that correctly? I did see that. Yeah, if you don't get your ass on. Get off of her, bro. Oh, this is also irrelevant, but it is relevant. That's the love of my life. That woman right there, bro. Bruh. My Twitter display name is literally the nation's unbeaten, bro. Everyone knows that. But, dog, she's good. Tommy, I love you. Oh my god. Man. You bring me nothing but pain. Pain, heartbreak, and suffering. You are what? She's so pretty, bro. Oh my god. Envy is gorgeous, dude. Dude, alright, if y'all made it to this point in the video, comment if I should rewatch my first reaction to Aizwan. If I should rewatch that, like watch my reaction. Words, bro. Watch my first reaction to Aizwan in a video, and I feel like if I rewatch the video, I can pinpoint the exact time where I literally fell head over heels in love with Envy, bro. No cap at all. She's so pretty. This is all irrelevant, but like Sakura's eyes are so pretty. Joyuri. I just went on a whole rant about you just going weird flags, but okay. Dude, you're so pretty. I'm telling you, I met you with a pink hair. Really cute. Oh my god, Chaeyoung, I love you. Y'all are the cutest. Dude. So cute. Oh, J-Line. I love them so much. Oh my god. No, we're not watching Highlight at KCON 2019 in New York, bro. Absolutely not. That brings me pain. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm surprised I didn't cry. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm very emotional. I really am. It's kind of a problem. Probably because I'm a Taurus. I don't know. But yeah, I'm honestly surprised I didn't cry. I was expecting myself to cry. I don't know why. I be crying in the Aizwan videos. Y'all should know me by now. Oh, that video was so cute though, bro. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you like the video, make sure to like, comment more videos you want me to watch, and subscribe because it's free and I like free stuff. You should like free stuff. Hit the sub button. It's free and you can unsubscribe anytime, but don't, because we're on the road to 500 subs. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.